So question 4 was 3 2/5 times 2 1/2. So we're going to start with converting 3 2/5 into an improper fraction. So we start down at the 5 and go around. So we have 5 times 3, which equals 15. And then 15 plus 2 is going to give us 17. So our new fraction is now 17 over 5. Then if we convert 2 1/2, we start with our 2. 2 times 2 is 4. Oops, I'm sorry. 2 times 2 is 4. And then 4 plus 1 gives us 5. So we now have 5 over 2. So now what we need to do is multiply across. And 17 times 5 is going to give us 85. Then 5 times 2 is 10. Now what we need to do is simplify this. So we're going to divide. Need to see how many times 10 goes into 85. So it's going to be 8 times, which is going to give us 80. 85 minus 80, we're left with 5. We stop there. Remember, 8 is now our whole number. 5 is our remainder, which is our numerator. And then the 10 stays as our denominator. But remember, we can convert 5/10 into 1/2. So our final answer should be 8 1/2.